So, you're looking for the ultimate productivity technique? Well, look no more, because in this video I'll explain what is the Pomodoro technique and how you can use it to your advantage. This is the best productivity technique I've found and I use it daily. It's a super simple and effective way to improve your work and study habits. It will help you to get huge amounts of work done without getting extremely tired. It will even improve your focus, and all you need to get started is a simple timer. If you're a super ambitious person, willing to learn, grow and improve, consider subscribing. The idea is that you work with full focus on a given task without distractions for 25 minutes, and afterwards you take 5-minute break to stretch your body. Go to the bathroom, drink water, relax and stuff like that. After 4 Pomodoros, you can take a longer break of 15 to 20 minutes. During the breaks, it's crucial to avoid your phone and all kinds of social media, because that will absolutely crush your focus. If you want to beat phone addiction, I have a video on that topic as well. The Pomodoro technique helps you to beat procrastination, because it's not that scary to work on something for only 25 minutes. The countdown timer pressures you and you feel a sense of urgency that drives you to get the job done. Also, starting to work on a given task will set the Zeigarnik effect in action, and that will help you to keep working. If you don't know what it is, check out my video on that topic as well. You will surprise yourself how much you can get done in only 25 minutes. You've probably experienced that moment when you just stare in your computer or textbook and you try to focus, but you just aren't there. Well, the short breaks will help you to avoid that brain fog and the burnout you experience toward the end of the day. This is what I usually do. First, I decide on which task I'll work on. Then I set the number of Pomodoros that I think that will be sufficient to get the job done. And most of the times, if I think I'll need 5 Pomodoros, I'll decrease the count to 4. See my video on Parkinson law to understand why. I set a timer for 25 minutes and I work on the task with full focus until the timer goes off. I put a check in the Pomodoro box count and start my 5-minute break. I repeat this until the task is complete. Experiment with this technique for a week and you will see how awesome it is. After a while you will get the hang of it and you will be able to accurately predict how much work you can get done in one Pomodoro, and also you will have the ability to estimate how much Pomodoros you will need to complete a certain task.